Hey guys, so I have an unboxing to do today. There's this new awesome brand called Slessic. I'm pretty sure I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It is a beautiful brand that has vintage nightwear as well as just classic nice sleepwear. They were kind enough to send me 2 of their products, so I was going to unbox it and review it with you guys. I've literally been so excited for this. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna start with the classic piece that they sent me. Here's the packaging, so nice. I'm so excited right now. I picked out this cute little jammy set. It just, oh my gosh, it's so soft. These are the pants. They're super flowy, super silky. Oh my gosh. This is a part of their classic line. It reminds me of what people would wear. Actually, it's probably called classic because this resembles PJs that they would wear in the 60s. I don't know if you guys have ever seen The Ugly Dachshund, but the wife wears a PJ set like this. And then for the vintage piece, I got a vintage nightgown. I'm literally about to live my Pride and Prejudice period drama dreams. Shut the front door. Have cute little sleeves. Are you kidding me? There's no way this is happening right now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's try them on. Y'all, these are so silky. They fit me perfectly. I got it in a size medium because there's a drawstring and I knew I wanted the top to be a little extra flowy. This is genuinely like such a nice quality. Okay, I'm already like overwhelmed in the best way possible. Let's try on the nightgown. What in the... I don't think you guys understand. I'm never taking this off. First of all, the material feels so light and so flowy. The hesitation I always have with getting nightgowns is I feel like they're just so heavy and weighed down that when I'm sleeping, I just like can't move around comfortably. But just having this on, like I know I'm gonna hecking sleep like a princess in a hecking movie. I'm talking like and everything. I'm so obsessed. This is so magical. I am so in love with these products. Thank you, Slessic, for sending them to me. I have a coupon code if you guys want to go on their website and check it out. I highly recommend. Can't wait to feel beautiful while I sleep. I'm so happy.